welcome back. So let's see if this is working as expected, and I will just you know let's start coding here. Okay, so apparently this is working well. So yeah, we have some music on the background, so that's also nice. Let's see if they say something from the disco guide. I don't think so. Okay. So what we want to do today is, okay, let me put some music in the background, please, and we'll see how it goes with the music in the background. Okay, so so now we have some music, which is nice. We also have the live streaming, which works, and we also have Discord, just in case someone says something, although I don't think so. So you better chat on the YouTube video for the moment, and yeah, let's do this. So what we want to do is just work on these commits that we still need to do. So I have already opened meld, and meld here has some stuff that also will have their differences or whatever. Don't remember. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that we need to modify yet, but so far what we have here is this kernel stuff, which I think goes together, and I will try to make some commits related to this. Yeah, so let's try to work on this. So we have some copyright stuff here, which I think we can add later on. So here you have the copyright. I think that's something that we can add later on thanks to this readme and so on. But I mean okay, other than that, we have this check proof of stake stuff, which sounds familiar to me, but it might be related to other commits or whatever. This is very wrongly written down, if you ask me. So what you are doing here, you are commenting some lines, then you add some new lines. That's not how you do stuff. You want to do it properly, and That's very this is not nice at all. Okay, so maybe we could start with these stupid comments and see what we can get from them. The fdebug. Yeah. So apparently, in order to do all of this fdebug, you needed to add some comments. So I'm not sure. So here we have a lot of spaces and stupid stuff that we have managed to fix, but yeah. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to save here, I think it's all of this that we have here, which is yeah, all of this here. So I think I'm going to do one commit. I'm not going to do I remove and then I add this, because it doesn't have too much of a sense to have this here in the first place. But yeah, so this is kernel CPP, so not this, and this is what we want to save here. So here we're going to say that wait, this was commented and now it's not commented, so this is what the hell, how the hell do we call, do we call this? Is this something that we can remove? No, because we need it. But so this is probably adapt what we want to save here, although I'm not sure at all. So this is print stake values, print stake debug values only if is turned on. Something like this. And yeah, it's kernel.cpp, but you know. Then we also have something different, something similar here, which is this stuff here. Okay, so here, not this one here, but here we have two of these ones here. So maybe I can do the same thing here. So it's print what the hell is this? return false. Okay, so this is the same thing but different place. And I think that we also have another one here, which is the proof of stake thing. So let's do the same exact thing here. Where the hell do we have this one here? So kernel hash. Is that the same thing we had before? Kernel hash. This is number 2. This is different. So let's put 2 there. Now look at this. Here we also have some tobacco stuff that has been added. I mean, we have a lot of the back that has been added here and there, so that you know, it's better. The back stuff, it's better. So we might what the hell is this? So let's debug this one, this big one here. Let's put it into another commit, and then we will see what do we else do. So this is the one that we're going to save, and the so what the hell is this? Print coin weights. Yeah, this one here. I mean, weights the packs. I don't want to check what the hell is this about. Do we still wait a moment. Isn't this what we have just done? Okay, so has proof of stake. And now we have another one here, which might be from another place, I guess. That's something that I'm not really sure. So it's all of this. Wait, the first one is number 2. This is not right. First one should be nothing. Okay. For a moment, let's forget about this commit, and now let's try to amend last commit so that this is not number 2. Nice. So now this is not number 2, and now I can add a number 2 again from here. So this is the commit that we want to do, and this is number 2. Nice. Now we have 1 and number 2 different commits. So now we can continue to check what changes are in these 2 specific files. Okay. So we can continue to check this if debug magic stuff, which is what it's helping us to debug all of this stuff. I mean, it should help us, I mean. So there's this one here. Yeah, so p index breadth is null thing. So let's work with that. Where the hell are you? Yes. So this is going to be the index is null thing the back. So these are stuff that it was added to Magi with this f debug. So it's different than the usual debug that you have on Bitcoin. So that's nice. And yeah. So let's keep going on. What more changes do we have here? So we also have the copyright and so on. Is protocol modifier interval change? Check stage change. What the hell is this? Check proof of stake. Here we have some functions that we might want to take into account when we commit whatever changes we have on the top. So the first thing I want to tackle on is this thing about the protocol modifier stuff, which I'm not very sure. So this is something that you have on this function, and I guess that it's also here. So these 2 variables are connected to this one here, then this f-net and so on. So is protocol modifier interval change. So this is probably something that it was used somewhere, but it's no longer used, and we should be able to check where the hell was this used. So maybe quick check was the past. Yeah, so quick check was the past. So if we go into SRC and we search for this protocol change, we can see how this is used here, and I'm going to open it, because otherwise we're not going to be able to understand what's the problem with all of this. So where the hell is this stuff? Here it is. So GitHub Magi repos. Nice. ATC something something. Quick check XSRC. So here we have the kernels.cpp. Okay, and now we can search for this in this thing here. So I'm not sure if this is related to Batcher coin or if it's something else, but this is something that should have been removed when this was removed, because it's not used anywhere else. And so we need to know who the hell modified this, and I'm not sure if we're going to be able to find this stuff. Maybe, I don't know, maybe hit, I mean not here but here, maybe hit log kernel.cpp, maybe we can search something about protocol modifier. Maybe we can try to use GitHub Web in order to find this. I'm not sure. So is this one here, isn't it? Okay, let me see. So here we should have version 2 branch or something like that, or tag or whatever. Here it is, version 2. So here we should be able to find whatever kernel.cpp. Okay, and so around 152 we should have the fetch something okay, let's take a look at this history. Remove legacy Batcher coin code. Look at that. We are removing this function from here, and that's something that we didn't manage to find out, that this function was also on the top and that it's no longer needed, so we need to remove it. So this is going to have a number 2. Okay, so let me check real quick. What do we have here? So everything here, but the map modifier checkpoints, which I'm not sure what the hell they do here. So check stake something. So this map modifier checkpoints, I don't think they have anything to do with this, so I cannot have this as a commit. So what means is that I need to remove this line from here, if I'm not mistaken. So let me try to fix this real quick. So this is a quick check. However, here the same place but without a quick check, we have the kernel.cpp file, which is here. So modifier interval. So what we have seen here, thanks to hit diff, is that this map modifier checkpoints, we don't want this to be here yet, so I have just removed the line here, And now we only have this stuff from here, and let me save this as a number 2. Okay. So now I can commit this in such a way that that it's number 2. Yeah, so it's number 2 for budget coin code. And I don't know if there is a I mean, is protocol modifier interval change. Maybe it's on the on here. No, that's not the case. Okay, so nice. So yeah, so that's what we have down here. But before going on, I want to undo this line deleting stuff, which is this thing here, which should be equivalent to copy this again to the right place. So now we have this type def stuff again, the right place, which is nice to have. And now we can think if we add it or not or whatever. So what more stuff do we have here? Look at that. So if testnet true, then it's return true because testnet has no checkpoints. Okay. Wait a moment. What the hell is this bullshit here? So either I am not reading this right, but if you remove all of this, you add return true, and then all of this code here, this is never going to be run. And then you've got another return true here again. So this might be fixed later on. So this is 496 or some. Wait, 496. There's no 496 here. I don't understand anything. I think this is from the other place. I don't know. Let's close this, and I have another kernel.cpp around here. Okay, this one should be the right one then, I guess. So 496. Where's the return true thing that I have seen? Just the very bottom thing. Look at this. This bullshit. So return true, and then you've got this code here, which doesn't do anything. And you can see how originally this had testnet has no checkpoints, so we go out, and then I don't know. I don't know why the hell is this like this. I think this is a bug or something, and later on is fixed. Because doesn't make sense to me at all. Added some non-use code related to checkpoints. I mean, yeah, I can't do it any better. Okay, do we have something on YouTube? No, everybody is on holidays. Was one person here or there, but nothing else. Okay, so no. Okay, so let's go on. What the hell do we have here? There's this comment here that I don't know what the hell is this about. Then we've got these lines here that piss me off also. Okay, so check. Let me open this another window so that I don't get distracted, and let's just bring this code also here. Okay, so do we want to have these two spaces here, staff, or what? Oh my god. Okay, I'm not sure what to do right now, but I think we should focus on this stuff here, and then later on we can work on whatever this is doing with all of these changes. So the first one that I want to what's the name, to handle are these two spaces that are being removed. So what I actually want is to remove these two spaces manually or something like that, so that I can make the commit properly. So I'm going to need to open kernel.cpp from the past, which is this one here, which I think it doesn't have so many lines as the one I'm using. Yeah, that's right. And now let's find out what the hell check is thing hash. Okay, let me search for this at around 464. 464, please. Something like that. Yeah, I mean 464. Is this one here? Return txto check prompt string info check. I think it's this one here, although here you have some other codes that are similar, but this is the right one. So on my left I have the other code where all of this has been changed to something else, and we have less spaces here. Check proof of stake. Let's see if I can fix this stuff. And now going to remove 2 lines, and hopefully now if I rerun this at around 464, I only have these 2 lines here. 464. Look at that. That's what we wanted to have here. So let's add this real quick. So this is going to be on a space line or whatever we want to call it. Let's see how we call this. I think we also, yeah, we call this space. So this is number 10 space, which we're going to use right now, and that's it. So this is number 10 space thing, which are spaces here and there and so on. And now I should be able to undo on the other file, which you are not seeing, and do all of this. And now I think that we're going to have exactly what we had before, but now it's different. So in 464, which is here, we have exactly the change that we wanted to have, which is this check stake kernel hash, which is different. And that's what we're going to be finding here, so that we can understand what the hell is this all about. And that way you can yeah, that way you can what's the name, we can move on with more stuff. So let's see. So one thing I want to check is this map modifier checkpoints. Map modifier checkpoints. Where the hell is this used? Why is this not used at all? And that's weird, isn't it? Let me wait. Let me copy this, and we will find out what the hell is this. Okay, so this has been used somewhere in so this stuff there should be connected to some other commit, which right now it's not connected, which is this thing about checkpoints stuff. And so in order to do so, I guess that we can go to the original one. So in the original one, do we have the map modifiers? No, we don't have them. But on the change one, which I have here, we have the map modifiers stuff, which I can search here. And wait, this is actually what we have added right now. Yeah, we have added right now this stupid code that it's not used. So let me check. This should, maybe it's the last commit. No. Yeah, so it's this one here. So it's number 2 to this one. So it's really a pity that the order is not the right one, because we could let me, I think we can rewrite this. So this one here is the one that we were missing. So this is, yeah, so this is number 2. And now I can rebase like for commits. I mean, I could rebase for commits, but we have some changes that we have not committed yet, and that's a pity, I guess. And is there, yeah, I mean, all of this. Okay, so if I restore this and this, I can rebase all of this, and I can say that this should be squashed into this one here. Okay, and that's it. So it's this order here, and now we don't want any of this, and now we should be right, we should be okay. So here we have this thing which we are working now. I'm not sure about this. So we have the machi, which is the future, and we want to copy to the left, if I'm not mistaken. So what we want to do is kernel.cpp, we want to copy it to the left. Is that right or not? Yeah, because that's how you, yeah, you want to copy to the left, which is this one here. So copy to the left and copy to the left, and if everything went well, now we should have exactly the same thing that we had before, more or less, and that's what we are getting here. We have exactly the same thing, although if you ask me, we might want to have some lines in this space here. I'm not sure it should be there, but in any case, now we have what it's interesting here. Okay, so these are interesting changes that we want to have together. Okay, so the first one, which is quite annoying, is this one here, which is this time wait thing, which is commented out, and then we add this other one. Okay, so in order to do this, so this is dependent on get matchy weight, which I'm not sure we have it. Okay, so we have it here defined, the kernel.h, so it should also be somewhere else on kernel.cpp, and we are not having it, so this is something we are missing. So let's try to check how the hell this is done properly. So let me see. So this one is the old one. So this one should not have this thing about get matchy weight. That's true. And this one here should have the get matchy weight thing, which I want to understand. Okay, so you can see how we have a new function here which is added, but this needs to be done thanks to the kernel.h, and that way we will be able to use it here if we want to. So if we go into GitHub and we search for here, wait, yeah, so if we search here, which is what we were looking for before, so this is the history for kernel.cpp, and look at that, get matchy weight is here, and you can see how everything is here, but we haven't saved the kernel.h stuff, and that's something that needs to be done right now. So now we're going to have this kernel get matchy weight thing from kernel.h. Okay, so not this, not this, not this, yes, this one here, and now thanks to the two you can know that this could be you know, this could be squashed together. If it doesn't crash or anything, this could be squashed together. You will have this on the same place. Okay, now let's take a look at what it's left. So we've got get stake kernel hash, which has changed, and get proof of stake, which has also changed, and this thing about the modifier interval, which is modifier interval, yeah, that's right. So so I'm not sure if I should just put everything here related to check, so related to different stuff or not. I mean, for instance, the modifier interval, I don't know why, what it's used for. Time to last before new modifier is compute. Okay, I mean, that's nothing that we modify. Okay, so let me check all of these differences here. So if we go into the most recent file, which is the biggest one, okay, check. Hey, Bastard Peachy. Okay. Thank you. I'll just watch it later. Okay, so Bastard Peachy gave us some hello. Okay, so what the hell is this? Yeah, so I wanted to check here the modify interval thing if it was used somewhere, but that's not something that we want to do. Yeah, so there's a line which is the end time txpref thing, which it's not used before, so it's here. So this line here, it's inside of the check kernel stash, which it's been modified. And also here we have some lines, which is all of this, which is modified also on the check stake kernel hash. Okay, so we could put all of this together, and then related to check proof of a stake, let me check. We've got this check stake kernel hash, which is now with p index pref and so on. So this is check proof of stake, nice. And then there's the SS thing, which I have no idea where the hell is this. So this is from the get stake modifier checksum. So the SS is from another function, which I'm not sure we are modifying. I mean, we are not modifying, but it's something that... Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to check stake kernel hash. Yes, that was always the plan. And then you can, thanks to hit and similar tools, to stitch all together. On the same Peercoin repo. Okay, so let's see. So we have kernel.cpp and kernel.h. We're going to save kernel stake kernel hash, which is this one, and this one, and then whatever we have on the kernel.h. So this one here, and then nothing else but whatever is on here, which is this one here. So this is how the hell do you adapt check stake kernel hash. Okay, now we're going to do the other one, which I don't remember which is the name. Check proof of stake. So is this one here, but not this one, SS, and then it's check proof of stake. Look at that. So this is check proof of stake. Nice. So so my question is, here we have a change related to what's the name? Something related to SS. So okay, so this is the original one, this is the new one. So if you take a look at SS, this is get stake modifier checksum, which you have modified here, but apparently you don't modify anything else. So I want to see if there's anything else related to this than on the on here on the history or whatever. But right now I think that I'm going to use the blame tool. So you can click here on blame and search for 490 or something. Okay, so here you can see how check the stake modifier checkpoints, and look at that, get the stake modifier checksum. So this is done on Unix 2 DOS. So apparently there's no much change. I mean, maybe in the past this had a change, but so we're going to say that that this is the change to get the stake modifier checksum. Okay, nice. So now we are left with copyright change at the modifier interval. Modifier interval, I have no idea if it's being used or not here, but let me, oh, look at that. So this is used here, and also here, but I mean, get the stake modifier something ratio. I mean, yeah, so let's not this one. Modifier interval is changed from, so this is, let me check, 10 minutes. Are you sure? What the hell is this? 6 hours? 6 days? So this is 60. So this is 360 minutes. Let me just do some basic maths. I don't want to. I mean, 10 minutes. Yeah, because 10 minutes, so 360. Yeah, it's 6 hours. From 6 hours to 10. Why would you have modifier interval of 6 hours? Am I doing this right or not? I mean, if I do like this and what's the ratio? So the ratio is 36, so yeah, it makes sense. So it's 6 times in an hour, and then yeah, it's 6 hours. From 6 hours to 10 minutes. I mean, yeah. I do not understand what the hell is this. So we've got some copyright here. Do we have something related to copyright or what? Is this replace coin name? What the hell is this? Copyright. I'm looking for copyright, but yeah, I mean, we have another one related to kernel.cpp, so it should be exactly the same thing. So let's just say that this is number 2, even if we don't want to squash this. So right now I'm going to push this into here. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay, nice. Let's see what Pastor Pishy said. Yeah. Yeah, the project never aimed to exporting, but to help new developers to understand what changes made Machi to be what Machi it is. Okay, so now we should go here, which is meld. We can reload everything, I guess, and we can check. So now we should have less and less files that are less and less pain in the ass. And yeah, there's the readme, this and that. Then there's this thing which I'm not sure if there are permissions problem or whatever it is, and that's what it can also help you to understand some of those directory structure changes in the past, so that you might get a grasp on how to do it in the future. Okay, so there's this X1 Pro which gets converted to Magic Qt Pro and so on. There are also these make files. The readme I want to keep for the very end. There's also copy in, install and so on. But wait, this is something that we need to copy from here to here. So yeah, so let me see real quick. So Magic Qt, no, so X11coin Pro needs to be renamed into X11coin Pro. No, that's not what I'm saying here. So this one needs to be renamed onto Magic Qt Pro. Yeah, that's right. But before doing that, let's try to fix makefile stuff. So let's copy all of this to the left to see what changes do we have here. I mean, there's also this Pro thing, which is also nice to have. Oh, look at that, we have some changes here. Oh my god, how many changes do we have here? Are we going to make some big commits, or are we going to do something else? I don't know. Okay, so look at that, Windows stuff. Okay, I didn't remember all of this stuff, which, oh my god. I mean, here we have a lot of changes that go onto these files, and we have the name change. We also have the I don't know how to call it, some changes that there's there. So we need to maybe focus on the makefile.bsd, okay, and then we will see yeah, if it makes sense or not. So first of all, what you need to do is to modify X11coin to become Magic, because that way this is going to be better. So the way of doing this is just saying something like, let's restore this makefile.bsd, let's replace X11coin and use Magic instead, and this should be applied to makefile.bsd. So now if you take a look at makefile.bsd, you will see how everything has been changed from one place to the other, okay? Then later on we will see if this makes sense or not, but right now that's what we're going to do. And we need some nice commit to use related to Machi has been renamed to whatever. How the hell do we replace something? Replace coin name. I mean, replace coin name. Why do we have remove? Let me check real quick. Replace coin name. Don't we have something that it's more? So replace coin name. Is number 5, so this is going to be number 6, and I don't think this is a replace. I don't think this is something that you can remove, although yes, if you ask me. So are we going, so is this something that you want to remove at the very end in order to understand what the hell are you doing? I think so. Let's save it like this. So now I don't have anything about makefile.bsd, okay? However, I can go back here and find my makefile.bsd and copy it to the left again, so that now we have some changes, and these are the useful changes, which is this is what we're going to try to use here. Look at this. This is very nice. We no longer have stupid thing about. So what we are doing here is adding this hash thing here, okay, as you can see, and then instead of building this stuff here, we are somehow doing the same thing with some more interesting stuff. Well, I think this is something that so we can save this into 2 different commits if you ask me. So let's do it. So now what you have is, let me check the commit to be. Now we can say something like, so this is adapt, this is makefile.bsd, use new hash, new Machi has libraries, and then what it's left here is it just improve files handling. I mean, I don't know how this is called, but this is way better way of writing the same stuff, so that you don't have to write specifically that this is a script instead of whatever. So this is what it is, okay. And we're going to do the same thing with the Linux Mint thing here. So if you take a look, you should see a lot of changes, and then a lot of changes related to X11coin Machi, and that's something that we want to fix right now. So let's do it. So we copy again. Wait, we restore whatever was the original makefile Linux mingw, and then we should have the set file here. So this is the Linux one, and now you can just check whatever you want here, which is X11coin becomes Machi. Okay, so this change here should be this one about removing number 7. We could actually do everything from here in one go, but then I mean, I don't know. So now we no longer have this Linux Ming. However, we can reload this, search for make Linux Ming, copy to the left, and that's it. Now we can see what the hell is all about, and you can see how we have. What the hell is this? So you are building thanks to this stuff. Yeah, I think we can add all of this in one go, because we are not actually rewriting some code, but it's the same code. So we can actually say something like that we are adapting, use new, this one here, but instead of this is like this. Nice. And we are done. So makefile.ming, it's going to be exactly the same thing. So yes, there are some changes, but there's also Machi. So we need to restore this. We need to change whatever is here, and okay. And yeah, then just add it, and this is number 8. Now this is no longer here, so we are going to copy it again, so that copy to the left. And now we can find out which are the actual changes that we have here. So USBNP and so on. Here we have more changes that so as you can see down here, there's this thing how you rewrite stuff. Here we have the new files and so on. So yeah, this is something that it's almost the same thing but different, because you have the C in capital letters or not, and that's not nice to have here. Bus suffix. Okay, so let's see if I can oh wait, so this one here, so now so this is number one, okay, number one. Now let's take a look. So this is depths there. So depths there, I guess that it's used. No, it's not used anywhere. Yeah, maybe it's something that you can use later on. So let me split. Yes, this is going to be number 2, although here you've got some boost changes, boost suffix. And now what I want to do is, let me see. Let me see. What the hell is this? A bit here there are a lot of changes. The main one is that you have a capital C, and you can I mean, it's quite interesting that this is not detected at all. So yeah, but this is because of this C, stupid C here. So so let me restore what we have right now. Let me restore this, and then let me edit. Okay, so this is the past, this is the present, and it's makefile.ming. So this one here. So what I want to do right now is I want to modify this manually so that look at this. So yes, so this is going to be number 3. Now I'm going to copy this again from the left, I mean from the right to the left, and now look at that, we have less differences than we had before, although you can see here how this main UPC could be detected here, and that's what I want to do. So this is, wait, so this is an L, this is an I. I think I'm going to leave this like this. It's interesting how these are included with L's and this is with Y's. GMP. Okay. So this suffix thing could be used here in order to fix this stuff. I mean, what the hell I'm saying. So we have, this is concerning. So here we have a commit, which is this one here, which is the bus suffix. We should be splitting out, or maybe turning around. Yeah, because otherwise, I mean, yeah, let's just remove this commit from here, and then I will add it again. I mean, what I don't want to have here, okay, what I don't want to have here is from the min w thing. I don't want to have the depsteer user local, because that's something that I will have later on. So I want to add wait a minute. Am I going to be able to fix this without burning myself? Because right now this is not safe, isn't it? I mean, I need to commit. So this is number 2 semi-revert. Okay, so now what the hell? The base. Let's go for. Oh my god! I cannot rebase because I have managed to. Because you don't want to save any of this. Okay, let's see if I can. So this is the one that we want to semi-revert. So we want to squash this here. So we want to comment this, and this. Okay, so now if we reload all of this, here we only have the bus suffix thing. We don't have anything related to whatever. And so I'm missing a line here. Okay, account, which is the dependencies. And next to this bus suffix, I want to have the. So by the way, this is reword. So number 2 is reward, which is going to be post suffix. Yeah, let's do it like that. And now I want to make a commit related to this bus suffix, but I need to copy again main this one to the left so that I can find it. So now I should be able to find this boost suffix thing, which is what makes sense. But this is done in two times, if you want to believe me. So nothing else. And so what you had here was all of this too. So this needs to be put onto the main W thing, which we have here. And so this is the main W thing. And now if I have done this properly, damn it, depth steer you're so local. We don't want that line because it's not helping us at all, so let's remove it. Now I can add this here, split, yes, nothing else, and I can amend this onto I'm not sure if the last commit is doing more stuff that what I wanted to do. Yeah, why did I did an amend if I didn't make the commit? Okay. We can maybe because right now if we do hit diff, there are a lot of changes. We can maybe hit restore this and then explode the last commit thanks to reset soft head something, and that way we can start again in such a way that it's easier for every one of us. Yeah, so hit add -1. So if we split this, we don't want this, we want this, we want this, we don't want this, and this is number 3, which I'm going to commit right now, and then later on we will see what we do or not. This is number 3 again. Okay, and now we have all of this, which I want to be the boost suffix 2 thing. So basically make file MINW, this is going to be boost suffix number 2, which I'm going to put into here. Okay. And now we should rebase more or less without any user. Okay, so this one here needs to be here, which we are going to squash because we feel it's the right thing to do. So okay, so now if we reload all of this, boost suffix is going to have, you can see how this suffix is used down here. And now we are going to copy from here again the mean W to the left, so that src make file min w, you've got the 49. Okay, so now this thing here doesn't need to have this there thing, which we're going to save here. And now we can explain to anyone who wants to listen that use Miguel for instead of 40. So update from 48 to 49. Okay. Now we can focus on more stuff like all of this includes and so on, but I mean, there's true that it's using GMP too, which I'm not sure if it's something that we need to use. And now maybe you want to put this one first instead of this one here. Yeah, let's rebase this real quick because it doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, we cannot rebase unless we have this out of the way. What the hell? Yeah, so I wanted to do this like this. Whoops, that's it. So now the history makes more sense. So you've got the worst suffix, and then you upgrade from 48 to 49, and then you've got the more stuff, which we are going to copy here again. So you've got the user local thing, which we are going to save here as another one, which I'm not sure. So this is going to be, yeah, number 4. We don't have, this is going to be number 3. And now we can rebase again, but in order to rebase, oh my god, I hate all of this. So this one here we need to revert because this is number 2 actually, instead of number 2, instead of number 3. So now look at that, 1, there is no 2, and now we've got 1, 2, 3. Play with me. Okay, so copy to the left, and I'm not sure what the hell is this GMP thing. LD flux. Large address aware. I wonder if this is something related to 64 bits or something. Okay, so let me commit all of this. So yes, nothing else, because I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Maybe I should have done that in two chunks. And this is the one that it's related to the new stuff from Machi, which is use. Yeah, so this is use new Machi hash libraries. Nice. Now make file mean w, and this is something about using something. Wait 1 second. No, wait a moment. It restore staged. Okay, so now I guess that I can amend the last commit and say that this is not Linux but this one here. Hit diff. Okay. So this is like this, and what the hell? Yeah, improve.8 and .c files handling. That's what it's doing here. This is improved so that we don't have to write so many stuff. Okay, look at that. We have less stuff here, and I don't know. So now we should be able to copy OS X stuff, I guess. So if it's the same thing as always, we want to just restore this, say that this is a Z and OS X, and just add this and say something like that this is a commit. Okay, so this is the one related to replace coin name, and now it's number 9 which needs to be used. Okay, so this is number 9. Now we can OS X. Didn't I already? No, I did BSD. So OS X I can copy to the left. I mean, the one that we're interested in is Unix, which is also Linux, but yeah. So now we only have the changes that are related to whatever. So now we can see what the changes are about. This is quite easy to check. So these are the changes about using the new hash libraries. So so this is OS X, use new something, and also we have this, which is improve the EO on something handling. Nice. Nice. So I think we are done with this one here. So if we reload, makefile.unix, let's see what the hell do we have here. Unix, was it? Yeah. Oh my god. So here we have, you can see how this has been used. There's a space there. Why the hell do you put in a space there? That's nonsense. Okay, we also have, okay, an X11coin. Yeah, okay, so as always, we always need to say something like this. Okay, so we can say something like replace coin name. So this time needs to be number 10, I guess. That's right. Okay, now we can copy this again and check what are the actual changes here. Yeah. Okay, so UNPP something GMP Machi D. Wait a minute. Yeah, because this has been moved from here to here down. Oh my god, how are we going to commit this change here? So the first part is the one on the top, which is quite ridiculous, but let's try to. So yes, UMP So this is adapt makefile.unix, isn't it? Yeah, so this is adapt makefile.unix. Let's do the other one. So yes, nothing else, nothing else. Okay. So this is another one that I'm going to save here. So this one here and here, nothing else. And this is going to be number 3. So this one's here, which this with this stupid space that I guess we will have to add unless I edit this. Okay, let me close this. Going to remove that space and we will add it later because it's on my nerves. It's on my nerves. Why would you put in space here? Can you tell me, please? So in the present or the future, if you want, let's make file.unix, and wherever is all of this, we have this space here. Look at that. So let's not do anything. And now look at this. This is very nice. So make file.unix and use new Machi has libraries, which is what makes sense. Okay, so so this matchid thing from here has been moved down there, which I guess makes sense. And then some objects depends on the hash ones. I don't understand anything. What would you have this twice? So O depends on C. So if C modify, please redo this stuff like this. But here, so the O's that depends on hash sheet, you redo them. Yeah, so it makes sense to add this. So actually what's happening here is that all of this is being added on top of Machi stuff, isn't it? But somehow it's not detecting this properly, I think. Because I guess that this is same thing that you had before. So I think I need to compare this manually and then make the changes manually, because otherwise this commit is not going to be helpful at all. So basically we have this is new code, which makes sense, I guess. But that code is, what you're doing is just removing this code and using this one here. But instead of putting it up here, you put it down here. And that's why everything is falling apart, because I mean, you're no longer using the S thing. You're no longer using assembler. I think we could first of all change all of this with this one here, and then we can do the rest of it, which is this hash thing here. And that way it would be better. So just after the match ID, we've got the objects. I'm not sure how to do this in 2 steps, if I'm being honest, because yeah. So I think we want to have this in one commit, nothing else, and then we can say use improve .8 and .c files handling. So there's this thing about match ID going down, which I don't know if I understand too much. I think we need to move. So the match ID, I'm going to move it manually from the top to the bottom. So let's try to rewrite this makefile.unix. So basically match ID, which is at the very end. Let me see, match ID, which is at the very end with test object. This needs to be cut. One more space, and then object something wo.c, which is here. Yeah, I mean this is nonsense. I mean, this was here. Why would you put this here? I mean, you can do it, but it's not nice. You should put this on the bottom, I think. Okay, so what do we have here? Yeah, we have a space space. I mean, now I want to remove this instead, and yeah, let's restore this and try to make this finally. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this again to the left, and yeah, there was a space there which should not be there. Let's remove all of this object stuff. Yeah, let's reload, and then now we are supposed to be having here some... how the hell is all of this done? C hash CPP. So hash CPP and the C1 is removed. So I think I can remove all of this, and here like this. Okay, let me see what the hell I have done. So now you can see how matchid is moved to the down side, although we are moving, we are having here one additional space that should not be here, but okay. So not this, yes, yes. So move matchid section to the bottom. Okay, now I can copy this again and see whatever I need to know. So now we have two spaces, and then this thing about adding, so not this, not this, yes, and yeah, improve. So this is adding the hashing files thing, use new mashi, yeah, this is number 2. This is number 2 inside makefile.unix, because we have already done this on makefile.unix, and now it's just a matter of doing 2 different spaces, and that's it. So where the hell space thing? So makefile.unix. So this is number 1, makefile.unix. Okay, and yes, number 2, and we are done. Okay, 2 hours. Yeah, look at that. So now Now we can focus on all of this stuff. Maybe .pro is the first one we need to check, then all of these readmes, then finally this readme here. We'll see. So let's push this real quick. Nice. Okay, so give me some time, I mean 3 minutes, and go back. Okay, so let's go on. So now what we should focus on this pro thing that yeah, this needs to be renamed into Magic Qt Pro first, and then we will see what else we're going to do. So let me check real quick. So it's this thing here should become Magic Qt Pro. Okay, so I'm not sure how this is. I think we have renamed some stuff on the past, but I don't remember a lot. Rename file, file rename, replace, pro. Okay, any case, Machi, yeah. Okay, so I guess now I can copy the file and yeah, probably we need to replace manually, but let's check right now. Yeah, so we need to replace manually Machi with all of this, and I mean, this is not going to be easy to do, because in some places, as you can see, it's renamed one way, and then some places another way. Yeah. So. Look at that, we are using this suffix instead of whatever it was used before. So apparently it's like Joe Lau was using pro. What the hell is the pro thing? Was using the profile, which is from CMake, if I'm not mistaken, and then use this as a basis for the make files. Okay, let's do one thing, which is let's do a commit of only the changes that make sense to be saving, because there are some changes here that I cannot change, and not unless I cheat. I mean, I could say that this is 072 in Machi/Qt Pro, something like that. Where the hell are you? Machi, it's not an SRC, isn't it? So maybe I can cheat on this, and this will ease my stuff. Let's see, split. Yeah, so this is non-capital letter. So non-capital letter. Yeah. Let's see. Oh my god, there are spaces that should not be here. Okay, so this is non-capital letter, so this one is nice, not this. Wait, I have just added one. Yes, yeah, okay. I think we are right. Okay, I don't want to go any further. So this is replace coin. What the hell was this? Replace coin name. Yeah, so this is 11. Replace coin name 11. And we also have this thing here down here, which I'm going to add here, but with another you know, another commit. Split, yes, nothing else. Okay, what more do we have here? What the hell do we want to save here? Let's take a look. So we have some spaces that are, I don't like them. I mean, why would you put some spaces here? That makes me nervous. I mean, we have a lot of spaces here. I'm going to kill someone. Why would you put so many spaces here? That no cheat, no understanding. So this one here, there's a space. I mean, this is fixed. Yeah, I can understand that this is fixed. So yeah. So this is an space. What the hell is this? And this is Magi like this, isn't it? Let's add more of those. Yeah, this one here, nothing else. This is number 2. Let's search more stuff. Split, no. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I haven't checked up here if there was something that okay. Wait a minute. What the hell is this? Yet another space. So these are spaces that are being fixed or whatever, and I think that right now we are right, we are okay. So now we can focus on what the hell is happening here. So yes, there are some changes that make sense to have here. So boost changes, for instance. Which no longer are the old ones, and here you have new ones. Then we have all the stuff related to the Magi libraries. That's something that it's interesting to have. Okay, let's focus here on this stuff here, that and command this section to build on Windows. Dependency library. Okay, so this is better. However, this was 48 and now it's not 48 but something else. So I'm not sure So here we have, if I'm not mistaken, we have like the two changes at the same time. So one of the changes, I mean, it's too different, but one change is related. So instead of Windows, we are using Win32, and you can see how it's 48, and now we are using 49. And then we are also using this post-lib suffix somewhere, which it was not used before, but I'm gonna find this suffix thing anywhere. Maybe here at the very end, which maybe it was used before and now it's more obvious. But this is the Windows staff changes. Okay, so let me split this thing here and this thing here, nothing else. So what changes do we have so far related to makefile.unix? Do we have, I mean, not .unix, but so this is an adapt, if I'm not mistaken, because right now we are doing some stuff related to adapt. So this is number one, adapt. Okay, and now I'm going to take the Windows stuff. So yeah, so this is going to be Windows and Windows, nothing else. Well, yeah, so this is Windows and Windows. I mean, it's true that there are some stuff, but I think it's all Windows. Windows changes. Okay. Okay, so the one on the very bottom, we're going to say this one on the very bottom, we're going to say that this is number 2, and now we should have everything here, which is perfect. And this is going to be the usual use new Machi has libraries. That's what Machi is about, using new libraries, because why not? Nice. Okay. Now I guess that we can copy this again, because there were some more changes, but I don't remember which ones. Okay, yeah, this one here. So this is going to be version bumped from 072 to 100. I mean, a lot of zeros here. Okay, look at that. We no longer have these changes here, which I guess is nice. Let's push all of this because we are almost in the right place, so that's a good thing to have. If I'm being honest. Okay, copy and install and so on. So maybe these files can be the latest ones, because let me see. Yeah, everything here we have already seen all of this. So I guess we can do readme.md. Let's see what are the changes. Here we have what the hell? Yeah, I mean, replace coin name. I mean, I don't know. I mean, yeah, so this is going to be fork adapt, formachi adapt, isn't it? Fork. So otherwise I'm going to, this is going to be adapt, readme, machi, readme. I mean, it's nonsense, but yeah. Okay, so here we have a link. Okay, so it's nothing. I mean, I don't know why they made the link here, but you know, so something like this. Is it going to be exactly the same thing as whatever? How the hell do you? Yeah, so this is a readme links to readme.md. Okay. And now maybe if we are lucky, oh my god, it's the same thing, we are happy. Nice. Okay, so copy these are new files. Readme Windows. Yeah, look at that. It's yeah, it's not at all this is not from Nova Coin. Oh my god. You would need to create Why am I seeing Machi side? Yeah, look at that. So do we have anything that we should be wallet, Machi D, incoming connections? Yeah, I think that everything is perfect. So this is a case of readme Windows. This is a case of replace coin name. So this is number 13. I mean, I don't know if we should remove it, but it's just it's not useful at all. So yeah, so let's do this. This is 13. Nice. And now let's do the other one, which is readme. Let's see what happens. Doc readme, if I'm not mistaken, like this. Let's see if there's anything that is changed or if it's only the name. Right now what I'm seeing here is that it's only the name. So these are stuff like the port, so probably the port should be changed, but it was not changed the first time this was used. So this is also 14. Now copy and install. So yeah, I mean, there was no copy in, now there's a copy in. And this is for GPL3 maybe, we don't know because it's not written anywhere. So this is an adapt added copy in file. Okay, and now we need to do the same exact thing with install. Copy to the left. Added install file, which we can take a look and see what the hell is here. Building Magi something. It's not install but building, but it has the building stuff. So right now there's no differences, and if you could somehow use heat to compare one thing or the other, you wouldn't find any difference. So I think we are done. So there you go. There you go. You have everything. One place, I think. So yeah. So in theory, if I copy everything that it's here, let's see how the hell would you do this. So if I remove everything here and then I copy everything that it's on the Magi side, this should stay the same thing. So one way of doing this is, let's copy this and let's say test deleting everything. Okay, so now I have cp like this. Okay, so test everything. Okay, nothing, whatever. So what I'm going to do right now is to delete all of this. I'm only going to keep the GAT stuff. Okay. And yeah, but now, oh my god, everything has been removed. Okay, and now let's search for whatever is here on where Magi, where the hell is Magi stuff? Here, Magi repos Magi, which this is on initial commit branch, which I don't know why I have here kernel.cpp that we have modified somehow. Let's put whatever. So we're going to get all of the contents. Where the hell are we? Where's my, here it is. We're going to put all of the contents that are here. Okay, and now I can say hit the status. And finally we've got some stuff that it's not okay. Look at that. Kernel.cpp hard checkpoints. Wait, what? Yeah, but this is because we had changed. Now it should detect this kernel.cpp stuff that has been changed. Yeah. Now we can copy to the left and try to fix this. I mean, I don't care. Map. I mean, what the hell is this? Kernel.cpp something. Oh my god. We had already fixed this. Fix this. Let's say something like this one here. Fork Magi adapt something. Copy and paste. Nice. And now there's this thing about some files that are deleted. Wait a minute. So this means that if we want wait. This needs to be done not here but there, which is here. Wait a minute. I don't know if hit add and fork, we Fuck this. Nice. And apparently, according to this, if we delete everything and then we put, so we actually want to delete these files here because they are not in Machi initial commit, isn't it? They are not here, so we actually want to delete them. So let's do it. Hit our I don't know where the hell these images came from, but we don't want to. Non-used thumbs, and that's it. So now you can push this, and I think we should be fine. Okay, so here we have the test, the last delete everything, which I'm going to remove. I'm going to make this again. So we go here. Now I say that I don't want anything. I copy everything from here, and now we should be okay. So this proves us that this is done properly. That's it. We no longer need this. So we are done. Okay, so I will make a pause here, and I don't know if I'm going to stitch everything together today or not, or whatever. But now it's the time where we should be able to stitch everything from PeerCoin. Okay, so let's end the stream here. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.